Hello friends, welcome to WP Nearby Places video tutorials. My name is Yash and today I am going to show you how to use our WP Nearby Places Pro version. So as you can see, our WP Nearby Places Pro version is already installed and activated. Now if you are not aware about how to install WordPress plugin to our site and how to get Google Maps API key, then kindly refer my previous videos for better references. So let's check our WP Nearby Places Pro version in detail. So as you can see, there are three options available. First one is WP Nearby Places Pro version dashboard window, which will look like this. Second one is settings and third one is license. So let's check license first. As you can see, there is a license key text box available. Once you purchase this plugin, you will get this license key, which will look something like this. You just need to copy this key and paste it over here. Once you are done with this, you just need to click on activate button. Then after, you just need to go to the settings tab. Over here you just need to put your Google Map API key. I have already mentioned in my previous video that how you can get your Google Map API key. Now once you are done with this, you just need to click on save button. After that, you just need to go to the dashboard of our WordPress plugin, WP Nearby Places plugin. Over here, we just need to click on add area. Over there, you can see there are three location options available, same like the basic version. So as a basic version, we can show our three different location in single map, which is nearby each other. This is the base location, which called main location. Over here we just need to fill up all the information like location name, address, latitude, longitude, marker icon. You can select your own marker icon as well. You can select the radius of the map. If you don't know how to get latitude and longitude, then you just need to click on this get latitude and get longitude link, which will redirect you to official NASA site, which will give you the accurate latitude and longitude of your address. Like if I search for a Starbucks coffee shop, Ohio, USA, then it will give me the exact latitude and longitude of that location. And you can tally your location through map as well. Now we just need to copy this latitude and longitude and paste it over here.
So guys, let's take an example of Starbucks coffee shop, which is at Cedar Road, Cleveland Heights, Ohio, like this. So the location name is Starbucks coffee shop, Cleveland Heights, Ohio. I have already saved the address. Latitude, longitude here. This is the latitude. We just need to copy and paste it here. This is the longitude. Now let's select a marker icon. As of now, I am selecting this marker icon. Now select a particular category which will show in our Google Map, like what we need to show as a nearby place, like nearby hospitals, dentist, doctor. If you want to select all of them, then you just need to click on select all, like this. Once you are done with it, you just need to click on this save location button, like this, and we are done. We just need to copy this shortcode and paste it to the particular page, like this. Now let's check our actual page, how it looks. As you can see, here is our actual base location. Now once I click on hospital, it will show nearby all hospitals nearby this Starbucks coffee shop. As you can see, there are one hospital available. Now let's check a bakery. Here is the bakery. So as you can see, there are number of bakeries are available nearby Starbucks coffee shop. Once you click on a particular bakery, you will get all the details about that bakery, something like this: name of the bakery, address, phone number, website. So main difference between basic and pro is this: then you will get website URL, phone number, distance from our base location, everything will be there. So we can directly contact that particular bakery through this pro version. So I hope guys you like this video, and please let me know if you have any questions or suggestion. Thank you very much.